unfortunately, stupid Jacob put a stupid shorting ring in there, and it came loose, and so I have to break down the whole thing, and the motor's like ruined because you got to take the motor apart. So I have to give bad news to somebody because Jacob gave in to the stupid whims of idiots that don't know how to design woofers. So who's responsible? Jacob, I assume, because it's his brand. So it's just disheartening for me, and it's also disheartening for the client. And then of course the top is not removable. So fuck Sundown. So there you go. I got some decals coming out to make fun of them because this is clown move. This is ridiculous. Putting a fucking ring of aluminum that doesn't do anything only for it to come loose later. This is terrible.